This course near Biella and Viverone Lake in northern Italy was built in the 1950s. Rory McIlroy won the European Championship there in 2006 as a 16-year-old. And now normal mortals can try their luck in this beautiful landscape. Here are some impressions.
And what do you like about this course?
It's fantastic. It's just between the trees. There's lots of dog legs. It's open fairways, but you still need to hit it pretty well.
Cool. And what's your name?
My name is Floyd Fernandez.
Do you play golf yourself?
Do I need to be honest?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I've never played golf.
But others do, of course.